ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಮಳೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಮೋರ್ ದನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಬಾರ್ಗೇನ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್. ನಾನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹನಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋ ಸಾಕಂತ.
ಮಳೆ ಶುರುವಾಯ್ತು, ಮಾತು ಶುರುವಾಗ್ಲಿ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ tried, but I can't. Even I have never tried actually how to eat with that. So very careful. Yeah. I guess here it's fine.
Yeah, again it will be soft.
Yeah,
it's greener, no?
With that, I think this light, the back will look actually amazing. one rock.
Stairs?
Super scenic place, and you can see around like it's all like everything clean and perfect. But if you just see here, what it is. Like, we really don't have any regards for the
Works out pretty well.
This is chicken masala and kebab, and we have this Kerala paratha. This is a CP, no? CP or what they say?
The KP.
KP.
Kerala. Proper one.
Good morning. So it was drizzling in the morning, but now it stopped and you can see the sunlight. So we have stayed in this nice place over here. From now onwards, I think Binil will be riding to Bangalore. So I'll be riding to Mangalore, and I'll be probably taking a route which is actually from Bhagamandala, which is, I heard from many people actually, there is a nice route which goes inside some reserve forest, which I forgot the name. I think Kathalekadu only, I think there's some reserve forest which is there, so it will somewhere connects to Sulya. So I'll probably take that route and ride to Mangalore, and will be there for a while. I'm actually primarily going because it's raining over there, and I wanted to actually get that feel.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ.
Sorry.
Gorur Dam. Gorur Dam water is what makes fills up the Shatiyandi River. Over everything is stuff.
Chalo, okay then.
Chal man, take care. We'll meet back in Bangalore.
Okay.
I'll turn up from front somewhere.
Okay.
Showing me 150 meters. Just after the bridge, I'll turn up. You'll be going this way.
Oh. Hello.
Hello.
Hey, Nandan. ಹಾಂ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿನಗೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನಾನು ಈಗ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ರೀಚ್ ಆದ, ಮಳೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಫೋನ್ ತೆಗಿಯೋಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಓ ಹೌದಾ, ಮಡಿಕೇರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹಾಂ, ಮಡಿಕೇರಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ನೀವು ಮನೆಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಮನೆ ಹೈವೇ ಪಕ್ಕನೇ ಇರೋದು.
ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡು, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮಳೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ.
ಈಗ ನಿಂತಿದೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಮಳೆ. ಹಾಂ ಅದು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಡ್ರಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವೆಟ್, ಫುಲ್ ಒದ್ದೆ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಂಪನಿ ಇದೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಹಾಂ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ, ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ
ರೂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಾಗಮಂಡಲದಿಂದ ಒಳಗಡೆ ರೂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಗಾಳಿ. ಹಾಂ,
ಕೋಸಿ ಅದು
ಚಳಿ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್, ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಕ್ಕ. ಸರಿ, ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಲ. ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಬಿಡಬೇಡ. ಹೋಲ್ಡ್. ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಮಳೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಮೋರ್ದರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಬಾರ್ಗೇನ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್. ನಾನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹನಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋ ಸಾಕಂದಂತ. No sign of fog getting cleared. We are at the top of Kathalekadu Viewpoint. Me and Nandan. So we came up through that, and now I think it's not a good way to go back. I guess we'll have to just slide our bike back. So we'll try some other route. And this is like a nice detour for me. I actually thought of going back to Mangalore. ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಅದು ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ. ಅಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. This is such a nice place. It's all this Kathalekadu. You have a nice, great view and it's nice. But you'll see what the tourists are leaving this place. There are like all this trash around, beer bottles. There are people who actually come here, they drink and then they go and then leave. KTM ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲು ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿಟ್ಟು ಮುಂದೆ ಇಡೋವಾಗ ಒಂಥರ ವಿಯರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. Thank you so much. Bye bye.